Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional. Not in today's newspaper. No, it's the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, September the 16th, 2023. It's actually today's Sunday, and Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. I've already solved 2 puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 puzzles remain. The tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku, in with 4 stars, yeah. And we have one binary. Yes, it's binary time. And this one will be number 7112. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 18 printed digits. 18. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, let's get started. Double one. Oh, here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Yeah. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Let me see. Well. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Yeah. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, one there, one. Double one here, no, there, no. And we have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, one there, one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here in the first row, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one here, no, there, no. Finished in 3 minutes. Well, what a quick one to solve. We solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for this afternoon. In the evening, I will solve the Samurai Sudoku. It's the tectonic jigsaw Sudoku. I will solve it in a minute. Until then, bye-bye for now.